Look, the vault just sealed and you're still inside. No lights, no people, just 3,000 robots moving at 30 miles an hour in total darkness. If you trip a sensor here, the system doesn't call security. It just recalculates your body as an unplanned obstacle. This is the ghost in the industrial machine. Today, we audit the 10 levels of dark warehouse shadow system. Level 1, the ghost picker. Listen, level 1 is where the human touch officially dies. You're looking at a standard AMR, an autonomous mobile robot. It doesn't need a map. It feels the room. It's the entry job because it's the grunt work. If a box falls, the shadow system doesn't wait for a supervisor. It flags the coordinate and reroutes the entire fleet in 6 milliseconds. You're just a guest in a hive that's already forgotten you exist. Level 2, the vertical graveyard. Level 2 is the high bay shuttle. We're talking 80 feet of steel rack. No forklifts, no guys named Sal drinking coffee. Just shuttles screaming across rails in the dark. The shadow system here is managing weight distribution logic. It knows the heavy pallets go low to keep the building from shaking itself apart during a micro tremor. Level 3, the cold chain phantom. Now it gets chilly. Level 3 is the sub-zero shadow. Logistics for biologics and frozen goods. The system isn't just moving boxes, it's managing thermal cascade. If a cooling unit dips by half a degree, the shadow system preemptively shifts the entire inventory to a backup zone before the alarm even hits the human dashboard. It's cold, it's dark, and it's perfect. Level 4, the Agentic Negotiator. Level 4 moves from the floor to the fiber optic. This is where the AI starts talking back. While the robots move, the shadow system is scanning global shipping manifest. It sees a port strike in Long Beach before the news hits Twitter. It's already renegotiating freight contracts with a carrier in Ensenada. No signatures, no handshakes, just code talking to code. Level 5, the self-healing sorter. At level 5, we hit the self-healing logic. A sorter belt snap. In a normal warehouse, everything grinds to a halt. Here, the shadow system reverses the flow of 3 other belts, turns an outbound dock into an inbound staging area, and keeps the throughput at 98%. It's like a lizard regrowing a tail, but with more steel. Level 6, the predictive ghost. This is the information gap in action. Level 6 systems use micro-trend ingestion. It's watching a 16-year-old's TikTok go viral in London and realizes a specific sneaker is about to sell out in Queen. It moves 10,000 units to the front of house racks 4 hours before the first order is even placed. It knows what you want before you've even scrolled past the ad. Level 7, the swarm intelligent. Level 7 is the swarm. This isn't individual robots anymore. It's one single mind with 10,000 limbs. If one robot's battery is at 12%, the shadow system doesn't just send it to a charger. It calculates which other robot can intercept its current pallet mid-transit to ensure the no-stop protocol stays green. Total synchronization, no ego. Level 8, the lights-out auditor. Level 8 is where the AI starts auditing itself. It's running digital twin simulations in the background. For every move a robot makes in the real world, the shadow system runs 1,000 what-if scenarios in the virtual one. It's looking for a 0.01% efficiency gain. If it finds one, the entire warehouse's physical reality changes overnight. Level 9, the Sovereign Logistics Hub. We're nearing the top. Level 9 is the Sovereign Hub. This facility is off the grid. It manages its own solar array, its own water recycling, and its own maintenance droids. The shadow system here is the CEO, the janitor, and the power grid. If the world outside goes sideways, Level 9 keeps shipping. It doesn't need us. Level 10, the Black Box Singularity. Level 10, the Black Box. This is a system so complex, even the engineers who built the original code can't explain why it makes certain decisions. It's moved beyond logic into intuitive logistics. It's managing global trade flows, predicting economic collapses, and shifting assets to protect the bottom line of a corporation that might not even have humans left on the board. You're not just in a warehouse anymore. You're inside a physical manifestation of the global mind. Welcome to the future of the New York hustle. It's just a lot quieter now.